If you have been holding off on buying a small tablet because you feel like Apple has been ignoring the iPad mini, what the latest supply chain leaks, internal iOS code discoveries, and manufacturing reports reveal about the upcoming iPad mini 8 is going to completely blow you away. For years, the iPad mini has lived in a strange, almost forgotten corner of Apple's product lineup. It is a device beloved by pilots, doctors, travelers, mobile gamers, and minimalist power users, yet Apple has historically treated it like a minor side project, giving it sporadic updates, delayed feature rollouts, and hardware compromises that left die-hard fans frustrated. But that entire quiet era is officially over. A massive series of major leaks from inside Cupertino and Samsung Display's manufacturing plants confirm that Apple is preparing the single largest overhaul in the history of the compact tablet. We are not just talking about a minor processor bump, we are talking about a top-to-bottom architectural transformation. From a groundbreaking screen upgrade to radical chassis sealing, next-generation silicon, and a total shift in how this device handles power, performance, and durability, the iPad mini 8 is being repositioned as an absolute pocket-sized flagship. To understand why these new leaks are causing such a massive stir across the tech industry, you have to look at the biggest compromise that has defined the iPad mini for over a decade: the display. Ever since the first model debuted, Apple has equipped the mini with traditional LCD panels. While those screens were decent enough for casual reading, they suffered from noticeable limitations. LCD technology requires a full backlight firing continuously behind the entire screen, which means blacks look washed out in gray and dark rooms, contrast ratios remain capped, and power consumption remains high. Even worse, previous generations suffered from visual scrolling inconsistencies, often referred to as jelly scrolling, where one side of the screen refreshed slightly faster than the other during vertical navigation. The newest supply chain leaks confirm that Apple is finally killing off LCD on the compact line once and for all. The iPad mini 8 is officially making the leap to a custom-engineered hybrid OLED display panel. Manufacturing records from Samsung Display show that mass production lines are already active, producing 8.4-inch to 8.7-inch OLED panels specifically sized for Apple's compact enclosure. Moving to OLED completely changes the visual experience. On an OLED screen, every single pixel emits its own light. When a pixel needs to show black, it turns off entirely, resulting in infinite contrast ratios, deep pitch blacks, and hyper-vibrant color accuracy that makes HDR movies, photo editing, and graphical games pop off the glass with stunning realism. However, the leaks surrounding this new OLED display have also ignited an intense debate among industry insiders regarding refresh rates. While early rumors suggested Apple might bring high refresh rate promotion technology to the Mini, recent reports from display chain tipsters suggest Apple may be utilizing a low-temperature polycrystalline silicon, or LTPS, hybrid OLED panel locked at a standard refresh rate. While some enthusiasts were hoping for 120 Hz scrolling across the board, this deliberate choice comes with a massive hidden benefit that every power user will appreciate: battery efficiency. High refresh rate panels draw massive amounts of current. By optimizing an OLED screen specifically for power regulation, paired with system-wide dark mode where black pixels draw zero power, the iPad mini 8 is engineered to deliver unmatched screen on time that crushes any previous model. In addition to the display tech upgrade, leaked schematics reveal that the screen real estate itself is growing. By engineering slimmer, uniform bezels around all four edges, Apple has managed to expand the viewable display size without increasing the overall footprint of the physical tablet. You get more active screen area for multitasking, drawing, reading, and watching content, while the tablet maintains that magical, lightweight, one-handed grip that made the Mini famous in the first place. The display, however, is only half of the equation. Deep inside leaked iOS firmware builds, developer code revealed reference silicon configurations that exposed the jaw-dropping engine destined for the iPad mini 8. While earlier Ls were often given slightly binned or older generation chips, code leaks confirm that the iPad mini 8 is testing with Apple's high-tier A19 Pro silicon, built on an advanced third-generation 3nm process. Placing an A19 Pro chip inside an 8-inch chassis elevates this tablet into an absolute pocket titan. What does this microscopic 3nm architecture mean for real-world usage? It means transistor density is higher than ever, allowing electrons to move faster while consuming significantly less energy. Thermal throttling, which can slow down compact devices during extended performance loads, is drastically minimized. The A19 Pro features an upgraded neural engine designed specifically to run heavy on-device artificial intelligence workflows directly on the device. Whether you are generating complex graphics, translating multi-language audio in real time, summarizing long technical documents, or running console-quality AAA video games with hardware-accelerated ray tracing, the iPad mini 8 will process workloads with zero hesitation. Yet, as impressive as the chip and screen upgrades are, the most unexpected leak surrounding the iPad mini 8 involves its physical chassis design. Reports from top industry analysts indicate that Apple is re-engineering the body of the iPad mini to introduce full water resistance for the very first time on any iPad model. For years, iPhones and Apple Watches have offered robust water resistance, but iPads were left completely vulnerable to spills, rain, and drops in water due to their open speaker cutouts and unsealed housings. To solve this problem without compromising on sound, Apple's leaked patents show a total structural redesign. Traditional open speaker holes along the top and bottom edges are being eliminated. Instead, the iPad mini 8 is set to use flat acoustic perimeter surfaces where internal transducers vibrate the chassis frame itself to project audio. This creates a completely sealed inner chamber that keeps liquid and dust out. Think about what this means for real-world versatility. Pilots using the Mini in humid cockpits, marine navigators using it on boats, field technicians working outdoors in the rain, or everyday users reading near pools or in baths will finally have complete peace of mind knowing their compact tablet is sealed tight against environmental elements. Along with the chassis sealing, internal CAD layouts show that Apple is finally fixing the positioning of the front camera system. In previous generations, the front-facing camera was located at the short portrait edge, which created an awkward, off-center camera angle whenever the tablet was used in landscape mode for video calls or docked on a desk. On the iPad mini 8, component placement schematics show that the center stage ultra-wide front camera has been migrated to the long landscape edge. When you prop the tablet up horizontally, your face aligns naturally with the lens, delivering professional, eye-level video framing for FaceTime, Zoom, and video recording sessions. The rear camera optics are also receiving an upgraded wide-angle sensor with a broader aperture and improved dynamic range, making document scanning, augmented reality tracking, and field photography sharper and faster than ever. Combined with directional studio-grade beamforming microphones that dynamically cancel background ambient noise, the iPad mini 8 is built to operate as a high-performance, mobile studio rig that fits in a jacket pocket. So when can you actually buy this incredible new machine, and what is it going to cost? Component manufacturing for the specialized hybrid OLED displays and water-sealed enclosures is currently ramping up. Credible leaks from Bloomberg and supply chain outlets consistently point toward an autumn release window, with an official unveiling slated for Apple's late October hardware event. Because these high-end upgrades, the OLED panel, 3nm A19 Pro silicon, and sealed chassis engineering incur higher production costs, industry analysts expect a slight price adjustment. The iPad mini 8 is projected to enter the market at a slightly premium price tier, positioning it as an uncompromising, ultra-portable power device built for users who want zero compromises in a compact form factor. When you look at the total picture painted by these leaks, the shift to deep black OLED visuals, slimmer bezels, top-tier A19 Pro computational power, landscape camera layout, and water-resistant durability, it is clear that the iPad mini 8 is not just a standard upgrade. Apple is redefining what a compact tablet can achieve. If you have been waiting for the ultimate small-screen device that delivers true flagship performance without compromise, the iPad mini 8 is shaping up to be the exact tablet you have been holding out for.